Catfish Tacos. So I'm gonna start off with a simple marinade. Got about a half a cup of buttermilk, a tablespoon of seafood seasoning, all right? And a teaspoon of chipotle powder. Give this a little whisk. Now I have about a pound of catfish that I've cut into little fillets like that. It means just makes it easier to go into the taco. I'm only gonna marinate it for about 10 or 15 minutes. My catfish has been marinating a while in the buttermilk, the seafood seasoning, the chipotle powder. I wanna use the same spices in my dredge. I gotta have my paper bag. So a cup of cornmeal and a cup of flour, all right? Using some of the same spices I used in my marinade. I'm gonna eyeball this. Say about a tablespoon of seafood seasoning, a teaspoon of chipotle powder, a little spice, and a pinch of salt. Shake it up. Get my marinated catfish, drop it right in the bag. Wanna get some flavor on the inside, also gonna get some flavor on that crust. And you wanna do these in batches because if you put too much of the catfish in this bag, it's gonna get overcrowded and each piece will not get evenly coated. All right, so that is my last piece of catfish. All that's left to do is fry it. I'm using vegetable oil. If you don't have vegetable oil, you can use canola. And I'm shallow frying these in my cast iron skillet. And I'm just frying enough till it gets golden brown. The great thing about seafood, especially catfish, doesn't take long at all to cook. I don't have to flip these. It's submerged in this oil. So when I let it go, get nice and golden brown. It should take about 4 to 5 minutes. Exactly what I wanted, nice golden brown. This is gonna be super crispy. They're gonna love these catfish tacos.